Oh, you thought you were gonna get away from it.
Yeah?
Yeah, Jonathan's a little Italian boy. Delicious eggnog with the brandy, and half the bottle is consumed by
There's
us.
not very much in it, I know.
No, there's not. We've got to obviously take our pumpkins away. It's not Thanksgiving anymore. What's up, y'all? It is 3 days after Thanksgiving, and I feel like I haven't made a video or cooked since Thanksgiving. It just feels like forever. But today, we're gonna make homemade old-fashioned chicken and dumplings, but with turkey, because you know we have a lot of turkey left over. So that's what we're gonna do today. I hope everyone who celebrates Thanksgiving had a fantastic Thanksgiving. I know we did. We ended up going to the Hill and have like homemade pizza, and we went to an Italian bakery. And for anybody that doesn't know, which is probably everyone, the Hill is essentially like Little Italy, but in St. Louis. And that's like where all the Italians live, and it's where they have all these fancy, cool Italian restaurants. So we ended up doing that Friday night, and it was super fun. I might show some pictures. I know Jonathan took some pictures, so I'll see what he took, and then I might put them up. But anyway, let's stop rambling about our holiday and make some chicken and dumplings, but turkey and dumplings. So let's go.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you.
Right, I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of butter in my 7-quart Dutch oven. I find that the 7-quart one works the best because my recipe makes a lot. So I'm gonna let this melt, and then I'm gonna put in some onions and garlic, and Calvin's gonna squeak his toy because that's what he does. All right, this is an entire small onion chopped up. I'm gonna let this cook for 4 to 5 minutes, and then I'll add some garlic. Okay, I'm gonna add as much garlic as I feel is good. Yeah, that's good. We'll let that cook for 30 seconds or so. All right, now I'm gonna add about 6 or 7 cups of water. If I were smart, I would have saved my turkey broth, but I didn't. I lied, I did 8 cups. I might even do 10. I'm gonna do 10 cups of water. Yeah, that looks better. All right, I have like probably 3-ish cups of turkey here. I just ended up picking off all the dark meat that we saved, and that's what I'm gonna use in this. Again, if it's chicken and dumplings, use 3-ish cups of chicken. Rotisserie chicken is best, but you do you. I'm gonna let this simmer for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add my better than bouillon chicken broth stuff. And yeah, then we'll make some dumplings. Okay, this has been simmering for a little while, and I have this better than bouillon chicken stuff, and I'm gonna put it in here to taste. I will not be salting this because this stuff is super salty. So I'm not gonna add salt to this. And obviously you don't have to use this. You can make your own chicken broth. You can use turkey broth from your turkey from Thanksgiving. You can just use regular chicken broth. It's up to you. This is just what we have. So, yeah. I'm like going back and forth because we're currently putting up Christmas lights, which maybe I'll show you guys. Maybe I'll take a quick little video of outside of our house and show you our Christmas light setup, which we're working on. Okay, we're putting up our Christmas lights, and we got some of this today. I don't know if you can see. It's delicious eggnog with the brandy, and half the bottle is consumed by
There's
us.
not very much in it. I don't know.
No, there's not.
It's only 10% alcohol.
So it's like wine.
Pretty much.
Let's see if I can show our house.
I don't know how many.
We're gonna light this tree up, by the way. We've got to obviously take our pumpkins away. It's not Thanksgiving anymore. You feeling good? We've got one side lit up like a candy cane, and Calvin in the window. And we've got wreaths to put up. But yeah, I'm cooking chicken and dumplings, turkey and dumplings, drinking our eggnog and putting up our lights, and it's really fun. So, thanks for watching this part of my video. I'm so awkward. We're awkward together. Alright, I'm gonna let this simmer for a little while longer, and then we'll make the dumplings, drop them in, let them cook. Alright, so for the dumplings, in this bowl I have 1.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of shortening. And by tablespoons, I mean like I'm just measuring it with a spoon like this. And then I'm going to cut that in with a fork. And then I'm going to add some milk, and I'll show you. Alright, now to this, after I cut in the shortening, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of milk and mix it up. And this stuff gets pretty sticky. I know some people actually make like flat dumplings. I just do like little round quarter-sized blobs and drop them into my soup. You can kind of do what you want. Anyway, let me finish mixing this and we'll drop it into the soup. It's really pretty messy the way I do it, but it's just what I do. I just pinch some off like this, and then I just drop it in. It's pretty messy. It's pretty sticky. There's probably a better way to do it, but it's just what I do. Kind of try to flatten it a little bit, but alright, so yeah, I'm just going to continue doing this, and then like I said, I'm going to cook it uncovered for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back and cook it cook it covered again for 10 minutes. So uncovered for 10, covered for 10. And I'll show you guys after these are done cooking for 10 minutes.
Oh. I mean,
Oh, you thought you were gonna get away from it.
yeah?
No.
I thought I was gonna eat it like
How
normal
is
food.
it? You do eat it like normal food after you do this.
Yeah?
It's very hot. Calvin, can you stop making so much noise? My God!
Yeah, I mean, tastes really like chicken and dumplings.
It's basically the same.
Yeah, I can't really tell the difference.
I used all the dark meat, like all that stuff you put in a bag. That's what I used. So it got used. Can you describe dumplings?
I probably described them wrong.
I think they're like a mix of like a biscuit with like pasta almost. Like
Yeah, they're very, like, get like yeasty, but obviously they have like shortening and stuff in it, and it's got like a nice chew to it.
yeah.
So if you never had it, yeah.
Did you ever have it before you married me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Like at a restaurant or something.
Yeah, but your mom didn't make it.
Mm-mm.
My mom made it. Anyways, so the next video I'm gonna
It
make.
wasn't an Italian thing.
It
so.
wasn't an Italian thing. No, that's not Italian. That's
No.
like Southern.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jonathan's a little Italian boy. And the next video either might be a different sourdough recipe or Amish pretzels.
Mm.
Like soft pretzels.
I love me some pretzels.
So we'll probably do that one. That might be the next one. That's not Italian. I'm just kidding. All right, we're actually gonna go eat our dinner now. Thanks for watching my video and looking at our Christmas lights.
And watching me eat.
And watching Jonathan eat as usual. Anyway, I'll see you in our next video. You'll probably see Jonathan too. Okay, bye!